Hi friends, this is Alex. Due to this present situation, I want to just show you a few tips I want to give you where you can do self-service. First thing, when you remove the system, so you have a lot of glue on the scalp. So what you do is take a tissue. First you clean the glue from the scalp. Don't make the glue come on the hair. Just remove all the sticky substance from the hair with the tissue, or you can use gauze also. You can use, if you have gauze, that is more better. Then after removing all the sticky substance, just then you can take some coconut oil if you have, apply to the scalp. See that all the oil applied only on the scalp where the system portion is there. Then take a cotton, or you can take a gauze, or you can take a tissue also. Clean that all the sticky substance again, so that the scalp will be little neat. Then you can have a proper shampoo wash. Then after that, what you do is the system what you have removed from the scalp, there will be a lot of perimeter you will be having tape. So my suggestion, first you remove the tape, entire tape you remove first. Then what you do is, if you try to wash the system, all the glue what is there on the system will come to the hair. So once it comes to the hair, it will become sticky and you can't do proper wash, because that should be done professionally. So my suggestion is just remove the tape and then make the system this way and see if you have any glue has come on the hair. If you feel the glue has come on the hair, then what I can suggest you is, everyone has a sanitizer at the place now. So take the sanitizer, take a comb, just see, put the sanitizer on the comb this way, and see, wherever you have a glue, just try to comb, so that the glue will come out with the sanitizer. Because this is alcohol what is there. If you don't have sanitizer, you can use acetone also you can use. But everyone has a sanitizer in the home, so you can use this more better. So try to just clean this way, okay? If you feel the glue has come onto the hair and there is a lot of sticky substances there on the base also, then what you do is take a tissue, or you can take a gauze also, put a lot of sanitizer on that, like this. Just put the sanitizer this way and try to see, rub it, so that all the stickiness will go from here. See, simple. First you remove the tape. Don't put the tape. Tape will again, if you try to remove the tape like this, it will have a lot of problem for you. First you try to remove the total entire tape like this. It will come out. Once you peel one place, entire tape will come out. Then take a sanitizer, or you can take a, then try to remove all the substance. Okay. Then what you do is, take a tape. This tape is available with me in the salon, in the studio. If you want, you can call me. I can guide you where you can go and take the tape. See, fold the tape like this. Okay. See, the way you have to cut the tape is this way. Okay, this way. Make small pieces of tape. See, make small pieces like this. Okay. After cleaning the tape, everything, after removing it, take a small tape. See, this is two-sided tape. You remove the blue side portion first. See what I am doing. Okay. Then what you do is, this is the system, right? On the corner of this, just put one tape. This way. Don't put entire tape also, because see, you are at home. So you can do this self, you can do for few times. Maybe we don't know how long we will be locked down. If 1 week, 10 days, you can use that way, and whenever it's open, you can come to the studio. Till then, this is temporary solution for you, where the scalp also will be clean. See, because of this summer, you have a lot of irritation to the scalp. So my suggestion, remove system, properly wash scalp, then put the tapes this way, one here, and one tape in the front portion, say this way. Peel the blue one, okay? Take this, see, this way. Finish. If the system is not washed properly also, if you feel little glue is there, don't worry. All the perimeter if you clean, that's enough for you. See, here again you apply one more tape. See, one more tape you can put this side. See, same way to the corner. Okay. One more tape. Fourth one you can just take this. same thing, you can just stick it here. That's it. See, this way, just put 4 tapes. So this will have a comfortable hold. 1 day, 2 days, it will be having hold. If you want night while remove, you can sleep also. Or daily morning, you can put only these 4 tapes. If it is fine, don't remove it. Okay, this way, just apply this properly and see. Then you remove this. With this white one, you remove. So you have a tape. That's it. Same way, you remove this, this, and this. And easy way to fix the system. Okay, see this. This is your front line, right? So when you fix the system, also don't worry. Just see when you remove the system, see which is front and which is back. That's it. Front one, you see which is the middle portion. So this is the middle of the system, right? Just keep your system up like this, and wherever you have your guideline, go to close to mirror, and this way you come here. See, stick like this way, stretch this, keep it back also, finish. So this is very simple way for you to fix the system, guys. Okay, no need to worry. And I have my number. Everyone has my number. I'll just share my number also. If you have any doubts, anything, I'm ready for you to helping you in video call. Okay, thank you, guys.